As a creator of images, I think you have a certain power. You can let people experience a certain story, but you can also let them stop. If you see an artwork and you have to stop because you need a second glance to get what the artwork is about, that's something very beautiful. You have to handle the type as a container, as a structure where you add illustration into. Typography is nothing else than geometrical shapes. So if you combine both of them, what comes out is actual lettering. You can do a lot of things. The thing about type is that it has like two hierarchies. There's the word itself, the written word, but then you also have illustration to transmit a second meaning. You have to find this visual game, and that's also something which makes me stop and look at my image to see, okay, what can I do with the image so it can turn into something which lets others stop too. A great inspiration for me is Charlie Harper. What he's really good in is abstracting images, abstracting like wildlife, and designing it with the less possible elements. Something I use a lot also in my work. One good example for it is this image about water striders. He's just using 5 different dots, some strokes, and one shape to illustrate them. And I think he totally got the essence of them. He developed a new whole style. It's very easy to fall into a routine. You start to repeat yourself. If I want to do this job until I'm 70, I need to develop always. The easiest way is to work together with very talented people who have like a totally different view than you. So you have to learn how to let go of your baby and give it to somebody else and allow this other person to interfere with it, maybe in a manner you would never imagine. Every object, depending on the composition, depending on how you use colors, constructs a new element, which is beautiful because you don't need to know to draw. You can like solve your whole artwork with geometry, and then to find the essence of your illustration, it's rather in the little details. This is my way of giving the illustration something unique, something which I think is nice that you can recognize that there has been like some kind of like love. The Instagram way of illustrators showing off their work, that's something very superficial. What I show is the best of me. You can't see searching your way, failing, errors, regrets. Trying twice, 3 times the same thing, it doesn't work out. Having friends to help, having nobody to help. Do your work. Hard work makes you get better.